Hello! In this tutorial, we will explore more the reports available to instructors in RadReview. On the home page of RadReview, select Sign In the upper right. On the Sign In page, enter your email or username and password and select Login. To pull usage reports in the instructor login, using the main menu on the left, select Reports. There are 3 reports in the instructor login: the Performance Report, Engagement Report, and Master Report, seen at the top of the page. The first tab displays the Performance Report. For each report type, a question mark provides a pop-up explanation when selected and details what the instructor can access in this type of report. The Performance Report shows student performance for a selected date range. You can view your class's overall performance, as well as performance by month. The Performance Report shows student performance for the selected date range. You can view your class's overall performance, as well as performance by month. You also can view individual student performance and see how each student is doing in various topic areas of the mock exam. The performance percentage will include practice and assignment question results. In the reports, there are 2 tabs: Class Performance and Student Performance. Under Class Performance, along the top, there are multiple drop-downs, including different conceptual and professional topical categories, a calendar tool that allows the instructor to select a date range. The instructor can also view the performance percentage or raw score. And with the final drop-down, the instructor can toggle to different class sections to view that section's data or view data for all of your class sections at once. The report will default to showing the class section the instructor is currently in. For more information on what the data shows, the instructor can select the question mark icon, and the pop-up provides a full explanation of what the data is showing. And we also see how overall performance is calculated. Here, we also can see how the average student performance percentage is calculated. And finally, we also can see how the student performance details by month is calculated. In the Student tab, the instructor can view data by all students or toggle to select a specific student. The instructor can again specify a date range, as well as view the performance percentage or raw score. And if you scroll, the instructor can view the student performance details by category. Next, the instructor can view the Engagement Report. This report tracks student activities, including assignment completion, number of practice quizzes taken, and time spent. In the Student Engagement Report, the instructor can view the course completion summary seen in these 2 graphs at the top, including the percentage of assignments completed and the question performance summary, including the number of questions correct, incorrect, partially correct, and skipped. The question performance summary data also can be exported as a CSV file. The question performance summary shows a breakdown of all practice and assignment questions attempted by all students in the instructor's class. If you scroll, the instructor also can view items you have assigned, which shows the assignment status for each student for all items you, the instructor, have assigned. Also, the instructor can view study and practice completion. The readings column shows the number of lessons completed by the student in the learning modules, and the assessments column shows the number of practice quizzes a student has completed. The time spent area shows the total time spent by the students while answering the practice and assignment questions, and the questions attempted area shows the instructor the total count of assignment and practice questions answered by each student. In the top right of the Engagement Report, the instructor can use the drop-down menu to view the Student Practice Quiz Report. This report shows the student performance and time spent on practice quizzes. The practice quizzes refers to the quizzes students take on their own from their own student question bank. This report also shows student performance on their quizzes, including the number of correct questions, the total number of questions, and the time spent taking these questions during the specified date range. This report does not include any data from assignments you as the instructor have given students. The final report is the Mastery Report. This report shows student performance by content category. The instructor can view the report for the overall class or by an individual student. The page organizes class mastery by categories and by students. By selecting the different blue hyperlinks, I can view more relevant data, including teaching learning outcomes and the performance of those students related to those teaching and learning outcomes and the learning objectives. This data can be downloaded as a CSV file, and the instructor can also view the performance by each student. The Mastery Report provides the instructor a quick visual for how the student is doing in various topic areas of the exam, while the Performance Report provides the instructor the actual percentage score. You can use these reports to determine your students' strengths and weaknesses in various categories of the exam. This will conclude our look at the reports available in the instructor login. For any questions, please reach out to User Services at userservices@mheducation.com. Thank you.